make cold brew coffee, it's crucial to start out with the best, freshest coffee beans you can get your hands on, and if you can, it really helps to grind them fresh. Coffee for cold brew needs to be coarsely ground, so even if you're buying it pre-ground, you need to make sure it's coarse. Place the coffee grounds in a big jar or container with a lid and then cover with cold water. You're looking for a ratio of about 1 cup of coffee to every 4 cups of water. Pop it in the fridge and then let it brew for at least 12 hours or up to 48 if you want it really strong. You can also store it at room temp, but personally, I think it's a little smoother when brewed cold. When you're ready, pour it through a strainer to get most of the coffee grounds, and then you want to strain it a second time. Only this time, line the strainer with either a coffee filter, a few paper towels, or even some cheesecloth. This second strain will take a little bit longer, but it's worth it to remove all of the fine particles of coffee, which will produce a super smooth tasting cold brew. I like to store mine in a mason jar or a glass bottle in the fridge. It'll keep for up to a month, and then you have cold brew coffee at the ready whenever you want. All you have to do is pour it over ice and enjoy however you like.